Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to the left to 1 and 1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the right corner and we can move to 9 and 16, and now we can see that this is the longer one. And when we pick this button in the right corner once again, we can also change ratio to the full one, so now we can see the full camera frame. And of course, when we picked the right corner button once again, we can change aspect ratio to whatever we need. Now let me stay on 3 and 4. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.